In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change row height and column width. By the end, you'll know two straightforward ways to adjust the size of your cells in Google Sheets: a quick drag and drop method for visual tweaks, and a precise method where you enter an exact pixel value. First, let's get oriented. In Google Sheets, columns are labeled with letters across the top, and rows are numbered down the left side. Each header area has a boundary line you can grab to resize. For quick, visual adjustments to columns, move your mouse to the top of the sheet and hover over the vertical line between two column letters. When your cursor changes to a left-right arrow, click and drag. Pull to the right to make the column wider or to the left to make it narrower. Release when it looks right. You can do the same for rows on the left side. Hover over the horizontal line between two row numbers until you see the up-down arrow, then click, drag, and release to set the new height. If you want several columns or rows to match exactly using drag and drop, select them first. Click the first header, then hold Shift and click the last to select a range. Now when you drag the boundary of one, the change applies to all selected headers. This is handy for creating a clean, consistent layout across a table. When you need precision, use the right-click menu to enter exact pixel values. Select the column or columns you want to change, right-click on the column letter, and choose Resize Column. In the dialog, choose to enter a new width in pixels, type the number you want, say 120 or 200, and confirm. The columns will snap to that exact width. The same approach works for rows. Select the row or rows, right-click on the row number, choose Resize Row, enter the height in pixels, and apply. If you select multiple headers before resizing, the pixel value will be applied to all of them at once, ensuring perfect consistency. A few quick tips as you work. Aim for widths and heights that keep your data easy to read without adding unnecessary white space. If you're adjusting a single column or row and want others to match, select them together before resizing so you don't have to repeat the change. And if a change doesn't look right, simply undo and try again. That's it. With drag and drop for fast visual edits and the right-click menu for precise pixel control, you can shape your sheet to fit your data perfectly. Thanks for watching.